Ever wondered how that delicious pizza you had for lunch turns into the energy that fuels you throughout the day? Well, the answer lies in the magic of digestion, a complex process that begins the moment you take your first bite. Let's embark on a fascinating journey through the digestive system to unravel the mysteries of how our body processes food. So, picture this. You've just bitten into your favorite sandwich. The first stop for this sandwich is the mouth, where the teeth break it down into smaller pieces. Then, enzymes in the saliva get to work, beginning the process of breaking down the food chemically. This partially digested food then makes its way down the esophagus, a muscular tube that propels the food towards the stomach. This journey is made possible by a series of coordinated muscle contractions, a process known as peristalsis. Once the food reaches the stomach, it is greeted by gastric juices, a potent mix of hydrochloric acid and enzymes. This acidic environment is perfect for breaking down the food further, while also killing any harmful bacteria that may have hitched a ride. After being churned and mixed in the stomach, the food, now a thick liquid called chyme, is ready to enter the small intestine. This is where the magic really happens. The small intestine, with its millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, absorbs the nutrients from the food. These nutrients are then transported into the bloodstream, ready to be used by the body. But the journey doesn't end here. The remaining undigested food, now largely water, fiber, and other waste products, moves into the large intestine or colon. Here, water and electrolytes are absorbed back into the body, and the leftover waste is compacted into feces. Finally, when the time is right, these feces are expelled from the body through the rectum and anus, marking the end of the food's journey through the digestive system. So, you see, digestion is a complex dance of mechanical and chemical processes that turn the food we eat into the energy we need. It's a journey that begins in the mouth and ends in the toilet, with each organ playing a crucial role in ensuring that our bodies get the nutrients they need. In a nutshell, digestion is the process of breaking down food into nutrients that our bodies can use. It starts in the mouth, continues in the stomach and small intestine where most of the nutrients are absorbed, and ends in the large intestine where water is reabsorbed, and waste is expelled. This intricate process ensures that every bite of food we eat fuels our bodies and keeps us going. So next time you bite into your favorite meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's about to embark on. After all, it's not just about eating, it's about fueling your body and your life.